Hi. The next is working of a nuclear reactor. So when a slow neutron gets captured by uranium nuclei, it excites and it leads to the fission of uranium-235, leading to the production of krypton, barium, 3 neutrons, okay, and energy. Then the neutron released again initiates fission of remaining uranium-235 nuclei. Now, since there are 3 neutrons, we need 2 neutrons to be absorbed. For that, control rods are used, and control rods maintain the chain reaction in critical condition, so that energy is released in a phased manner. Okay. Now, this is your diagram of nuclear reactor. So this is outside. It is covered by a thick concrete wall. Now inside, a naturally occurring uranium-235, it is not fissionable. Like the naturally occurring uranium isotope is 238. It has to be converted into 235. Now, to do that, uranium-238 is taken in form of rods like this. These are the uranium-238 rods, and these are kept besides graphite rods. So there will be a graphite rod, then beside it there will be uranium-235, 238 rod, and so on. Okay, so that is this structure. Then it is bombarded with neutrons, and because of which nuclear reaction takes place. Okay. After that, there will be coolant here, which is pumped into this nuclear reactor. So it takes away heat energy of the reaction. Now this heat energy goes to heat exchanger, which is mentioned by HE here, heat exchanger. Okay. So when it passes through heat exchange, when the coolant passes through heat exchanger, it will lose its heat to the heat exchanger. Here water is supplied, and this water gets converted into steam. As you can see from the diagram, water is coming inside and steam is getting produced. Now, because of this steam which comes out, it is at very high pressure. So when this steam falls on a turbine, let's say this is a turbine, it will rotate the turbine like this. And here we will put some electrical device which will create electrical energy. Okay. Next, we are also putting control rods, okay, which have the property of absorbing neutrons. So this is your working of nuclear reactor. Okay. Next is the use of nuclear reactor. Now it is used in electrical power generation. As we all know, there are nuclear reactors which generate powers. Then it is also used in production of radioactive isotopes, because when uranium disintegrates, it is going to produce barium plus krypton. It is also used in propulsion of ships, submarines. You have heard about like nuclear submarines, no? So it is also used in propulsion of ships, submarines, and aircrafts. Okay, thank you.